If your Cricket Wireless SIM card is locked, it's likely due to entering the wrong PIN code too many times. This triggers a security feature requiring a PUK or PUK2 code. The PUK code is used to unlock your SIM card after too many incorrect PIN attempts. PUK2 is for unlocking PIN 2, which is used less often for advanced settings like call barring. To get these codes, contact Cricket support through their app, website, or by calling 1-800-CRICKET. You'll need to verify your account details, such as your IMEI or the last four digits of your SIM serial number. As of September 2025, Cricket offers enhanced digital support, often providing PUK codes in under 2 hours via their online portal. For security, biometric verification may be required for PUK requests. Once you receive your PUK or PUK2 code from Cricket, carefully enter it on your device when prompted. You usually have a limited number of attempts, around 10, before the SIM is permanently locked, requiring a new SIM card. After successfully entering the PUK code, you'll be prompted to set a new PIN. Remember to choose a PIN you'll easily remember. It's crucial to get your PUK code only from official Cricket channels to avoid fraud and security risks. The increasing adoption of eSIMs may eventually phase out the need for PUK codes, favoring app-based authentication. If you're still having trouble, contact Cricket support.